In this video, I'm going to show you how to use sleep to silence. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, on your Android phone, go to settings, then tap on settings icon, and after that you need to swipe up for system, tap on system, and here is gesture, tap on gesture and swipe up, and you can see last option is flip to saw, and it's currently turn it off, so tap on and you need to turn on this, and here is showing a demo how it works. So turn on, and after that when you receive any call, then just simply flip the phone, and after that it will be silence. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my videos. See you on the next